The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe, yet most of what we know about it is wrong. Movies, social media, and even schools have helped spread myths that sound scientific but aren't. Today, we're breaking 7 brain myths that millions still believe. Myth 1. You only use 10% of your brain. This is the most famous brain myth ever. The truth? Brain scans show that almost all parts of the brain are active, even during simple tasks like resting or daydreaming. If 90% of your brain were useless, brain damage wouldn't be such a big deal, but it is. Reality. You use most of your brain, just not all at the same time. Myth 2. People are left-brained or right-brained. You've heard it before. Left-brained people are logical. Right-brained people are creative. Sounds nice, but science says no. Studies show that both sides of your brain work together in almost everything you do, from math to music. Reality. Creativity and logic require both hemispheres. Myth 3. Multitasking makes you more productive. Your brain doesn't multitask. It switches rapidly between tasks, and every switch costs time and energy. Research shows multitasking increases mistakes, slows learning, reduces memory. Reality. Multitasking trains your brain to be distracted. Myth 4. Brain training games make you smarter. Many apps promise to boost intelligence. The truth? They mostly make you better at the game itself. Scientific reviews found little evidence that brain games improve real-world intelligence or memory. Reality. Sleep, exercise, and learning real skills help your brain far more. Myth 5. Memory works like a video camera. You don't record memories. Your brain reconstructs them every time you remember something, and each recall can slightly change it. That's why false memories feel real. Reality. Memory is flexible, not perfect. Myth 6. A bigger brain means a smarter person. Elephants have bigger brains than humans. Size alone doesn't matter. Connections and efficiency do. Reality. Intelligence depends on how neurons connect, not brain size. Myth 7. You can't change your brain after childhood. This is one of the most dangerous myths. The brain has neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself throughout life. Learning, habits, and even thoughts can physically change your brain. Reality. Your brain is never finished. Your brain is powerful, but it's also misunderstood. If you believed at least one of these myths, you're not alone. Like this video if it surprised you, subscribe to BrainFacts for science-backed truths, comment which myth shocked you most.